think so. That is a understatement, and like a lot of investment has been done in Meghalaya, and I think so. You must be referring to what has appeared in Shillong Times today, and where the chief of the VPP had said that Meghalaya missed three chances to become a top state. First of all, I'd like to say there are certain things here that I do agree. There are certain things which I don't agree. First of all, is that Article 371. That is a protectionist safeguard for states like Meghalaya, which has a very small population in comparison to the rest of India and the mainland. And having 371 and having Schedule 6 will not help in development of the state. It's only a protectionist measure. And second thing is regarding that disputed areas between Assam and Meghalaya. Even if those have been, looking from the different angles, suppose those areas had been resolved, that will bring the development to this particular area, not to the whole state. And even though those areas have not been settled, it does not affect the development of the state. And the third thing is that, of course, I do agree that we have lots of mineral sources, but these have not gone for the development of state. I totally agree with that. And the fourth thing is that I totally agree with his statement that we need a clean government. Okay, unless we have clean government, then having development in state will be difficult. But to react to what he has said, that center has been stepmotherly treatment to Meghalaya, I think so. It is an understatement, and I totally disagree with it. In fact, central government has offered a lot of development to the state, and of course, BJP is not ruling the state at present. It's just a part of the alliance, and for any significant development to really happen, is that central government would have been able to do it if the government here in Meghalaya would have been led by the BJP. But unfortunately, we have not been able to do that. So, and if BJP had been able to, give a lot of central schemes and central investments in other places of Northeast India, I don't see why it cannot do in Meghalaya. But let me say one thing is that for any development to come to the state, first of all, the initiative will have to be taken by the state government. It is not the central government will not push down our throats certain things which we don't want. So ultimately, it has to be initiated by the state government. Then the central government will carry it forward. So I think so. The statement that stepmotherly treatment for Meghalaya, I think, is totally wrong, and I totally do not accept that kind of statement.